Okay, so we've looked a bit at text favorites. We've also looked at, where to get at properties, how to embed them on the graphics. I'm going to have a quick look at profile runs. So we've had feedback from people such as yourselves talking about how to recreate profile runs when the drainage design changes. What I'm going to show you in a second here is a method you may not be aware of to bulk create profile sheets from the profile runs. And if we've got time at the end, I'll also show you a couple of sneak previews, if you like, of the 2023 version where we've done extra work again on profile runs. So let's have a look at profile sheeting. I've got a series of profile runs in my design file here. There's in actual fact 7, and I want to create the sheets, models and drawing models for all of them in one go. So there's a way that we can do that. So I go to the OpenRoads modeling workflow and I need to create a graphical filter. So I click on the Terrain Filter Manager button to set up the filter. And what I need to do is create a new filter and then edit that filter, and I'm going to select the feature definition that was used when we created the profile runs. So I'm just going to scroll down and find it there, the linear miscellaneous util profile run feature definition. So I'll select that and click add so that we're going to filter on that feature definition. I'll just rename the filter to help me remember what it's for. And then having done that, I can click Finish. So now that filter has been created, I can select it and use it to select what profile runs. So just scroll up and grab that filter and then data point to accept it, which will find all of the profile runs that use it. And that's built the selection set of those 7 profile runs. So now that's ready to use to create the profile sheets and drawings. So to create the profile sheets and drawings, I need to open a new view, and I'm just moving it over on the right hand side because I've still got the selection set from view 1, and I need to create the profile runs in another view. So I'm going to run the named boundary tool. I want to create profiles, so I'm going to select my drawing seed, whichever drawing seed's appropriate for my drainage and utilities profiles. So I'll pick that, and then having picked that, I'm just going to toggle on to use the active terrain model, and then I'll data point in view 4, and then data point one more time. And you will see now that the Create Drawing dialog is available. So I'll choose the settings that are appropriate for my profile drawings and then click OK. And the sheets for that will be created. Now, because we've got a selection set of these 7 profile runs, I'm now going to be prompted consecutively for each of those profile runs to create the drawings. So I'm just going to OK through the Create Drawing dialog boxes, and you see, and on the view 4 on the right hand side, that the profile runs and name boundaries for each of those have been created. So now I can select one of the models here and just scroll in and have a look. You can see the terrain models there, the conduits and the nodes, and the boxed annotation at the bottom. I can now go back and maybe review one of the sheet models. And again, we see that all of the annotation, the title block and everything has been applied. So that's a quick way to create the named boundaries, the sheet and drawing models for multiple profile runs in one go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.